Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to your class 2 science class. And you already know that your PT2 syllabus are chapter 8 food for good health and chapter 9 air around us. So, previous classes we discussed on the food for good health. Food for good health. And today we have to discuss on the next chapter air around us. Okay? And you already get the routine of your exam. So, have you any kind of problem for the previous chapter food for good health, which I already discussed on your previous class? Have you any problem for food for good health? Find it, Upasho. Check your book. Food for good health. Okay. So you didn't have any problem. No one. Snigdha, where are you? Give me answer. Snigdha, Shomagni, Nihan. Nihan already gave the answer. Okay. Snigdha and Shomagni didn't give the answer. Pratushna, Rithojit, Samriddho, Chad, give me answer. Have you any problem for food for good health? No. So you don't have any problem from this chapter. And today we will discuss on the air around us. Okay? Only the air around us. Okay. So take your copy book with you, everyone. I will give some questions today. And you have to write down in your copy book, and also you have to answer me. Okay, you can copy it from the board. So question 1, take your copy book with you. Upasho, I already told it na, there is no page number. I have to give some questions in the board. Check the board, listen my question and answer me. And you didn't know what is the page number, these things, how many times we read it, we learned it, we revised. So your first question is, all living things need air to dash. All living things need air to dash. Need air to air. Suzanne, Shomagni, what is it? First, read the question attentively, then answer me. Read the question attentively, then answer it. In the exam also, this is applicable for your exam also. First you have to read question attentively, then choose the correct answer. Yes, live also correct and breathe is also correct. So I am writing here breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. So all living things need air to breathe and live also. Live also. Live is also correct. All living things need air to breathe. Okay? Your next question is, moving air is called dash. Moving air is called dash. Moving air is called dash. Yes, that is wind. Moving air is called wind. Very good. Next is, slow wind is called dash. Slow wind is called dash. What is the call of slow wind? When the wind blowing slowly is called? Yes, it's called breeze. It's called B-R-E-E-Z-E. It's called breeze. Slow wind is called breeze. Okay? Next. Did you copy those question answer and your copy book? Write it fast. Strong and fast wind is called dash. Strong and fast wind is called dash. Do you know? Yes, that is only 4 answered me. So only Shrestha, Suzan, Nihan and Shomagni answered me. Others of you didn't give the answer, and if you didn't give the answer, I give you punishment. Very good, Pratushna, Samriddha. Where is Snigdha? Where is your answer, Snigdha? Ritojit, every time I have to told you that give me answer, give me answer. Chad also, Snigdha also. You are not attentive in the class. Storm, S-T-O-R-M. So strong and fast wind is called storm. So how did you copy those question answer in your copy book? I have to erase it now. Next, question number 5. When we breathe, we take dash gas. Which gas we take when we breathe? Which gas we take when we breathe? Very good, Pratushna, Samriddha, Somagni. Very good, Nihan. Shrestha, Upasho, very good. Suzan. So that is oxygen. That is oxygen. When we breathe, we take oxygen gas. Okay? Next, question number 6. When we sneeze, we should use dash. So when we sneeze, we should use which things? Hand cheek. What is hand cheek, Upasho? What is hand cheek? Hand key. Samriddha, hanky. Hanky is the short form. Write it in the full form. Not hand chief. Hand key, hand chief. What's that? This is the result. You didn't read this chapter attentively. That is handkerchief. Handkerchief. E-F. Handkerchief, not hand key, not handchief. And Nihan write it in full sentence, a full word actually. And it's a short form you write here, that's hanky. But you have to write handkerchief in the exam. So, when we sneeze, we should use handkerchief. Okay? Handkerchief. Seven. If we breathe impure air, we fall dash. If we breathe impure air, we fall dash. What will be the answer? Shomagni, which things you write here? Yes, Sujan, Shamriddho, Shrestha, very good. Everyone give me answer. Yes, that sick or ill. So, if we breathe impure air, we fall sick or ill. Both are correct. If we breathe impure air, we fall sick or ill. Okay? Very good, everyone. Moving dash give out smoke. Moving dash give out smoke. Shomagni, give me answer and mute your microphone. I can't find your answer in the chat box. If you didn't give me answer, I will give punishment to you. Is it only cars? Is it only buses? Very good, Susan. Is it only cars and buses? They are all cars, all buses, scooters, bikes, lorries. Those all are we call vehicles. Vehicles. So the moving vehicles give out smoke. Moving vehicles give out smoke. Factories are not moving, Nihan. I think you know this. Factories are not moving. I didn't want to that type answer, Nihan. That burnt coal factories you write here. Next, we must breathe clean dash and dash air. We must breathe dash or dash air. Very good, Susan. Everyone give me answer fast. We must breathe dash and dash air. Very good. This is clean and fresh. This is clean and fresh. So we must breathe clean and fresh air. Yes. Very good, everyone. And that is the one important questions that you have to remember for your exam or any time. For any time you have to remember this, because that's very important. And we have to know also that first of this chapter you learn that we take oxygen when we breathe. We take oxygen when we breathe, and we give out carbon dioxide when we breathe out. So, but there plants give out dash while making their food. So which gas plants give out while making their food? You know that plants make their own food and in the leaves, and you know leaves are we call the kitchen of plants. So which gas plants give out when while making their food? Which gas? Very good. That is oxygen. Very good. Very good. So oxygen they give out, plants give out while making their own food, but we take oxygen when we breathing. Okay? Okay everyone, so have you completed from the board? I am already inside Upasho. Have you write it? Okay. So we discuss on this chapter that's air around us, and previous day we discussed food for good health. So from the chapter food for good health we discussed about the essential for our good food is, and we cannot live without food. Food is our basic needs, and food helps us to stay healthy and fight against disease, and it gives us energy also. And we learned about the example of the energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. These things, they are examples, you have to remember it. And about the water, which we learned that we have to take 6 to 8 glasses of water every day, and water helps us to digest the food, and it's throw out the undigested food from our body. And we also eat the raw food, that's carrot, onion, radish, tomato, those things we eat also raw. And the diet things that may vary different for different people. Milk is important for newborn baby, these things you have to remember. Growing children needs lots of body building foods like eggs, pulses, and milk. As you are the growing child, so your body needs the milk, egg, fruit, fish, those things, pulses. And the laborer needs more food than a person working in office, because they have do a lot of work, and the diet is different for everyone. And their exercise part you have to read, you have to practice again and again. Okay, so for this chapter, if problem you can ask me on e-portal chat box. And the air around us, these things today we discuss, and hope you haven't any problem from the chapter air around us. So those two chapters, air around us and food for good health, read very attentively. And everyone, best wishes for all of you for your PT2 exam. Read very attentively, practice exercise again and again, and give those all answer of science, all will be correct. Okay, so best of luck, have a nice day everyone, that's all. And who are present in the class, please write here P. I have to take your attendance, and thank you.